Alright students, so this is your first grammar lesson of the year. It's going to be on apostrophes and the common apostrophes. First, you need to turn to page 266 in your grammar book. Once you do that, make sure to follow my instructions in the video. It's going to give you all the instructions that you need. Remember, you can pause or rewind at any time if you need to catch up or if you need to hear something again or practice it again. So, here's the idea. Apostrophes are used in 3 types of words. Possessive nouns, for example, Chad's basketball rolled away. Contractions, you're the loudest student in class. And some plural words. So he scored 9s and 10s in the competition. And we'll get into more specific examples later. Alright, so let's begin with possessives. Remember, a possessive noun shows ownership or relationship. So plural nouns that do not end in S, you just add an apostrophe S. For example, the men's competition is today. Notice how the word men is plural. So we just add an apostrophe S to the end. Next, if it's just plural, add an apostrophe. For example, the robot's plan was revealed. The word robots is plural. We know this because it ends with an S. If it's plural and it ends with an S, you just want to add an apostrophe at the end. And then finally, singular. If the word is singular, add apostrophe S, even if the word ends in S. For example, Travis's computer. It's Travis's computer that he has. Even though it ends with an S, his name does, you want to add an apostrophe and an S after that because Travis is singular. Or Dylan's homework. You would say Dylan's homework is complete. Dylan is also singular. Therefore, you would add apostrophe S. Next, contractions. Remember, a contraction is when 2 words are joined by getting rid of letters and adding an apostrophe. Teachers usually tell you not to use contractions in your writing. Today, you get to use lots of contractions. So what I want you to do right now is look on page 266 of your grammar book for the chart of commonly used contractions. Find it? Press pause if you need to look. Okay, once you've found it, pick 3 contractions from that chart and use the contraction form of the word in your own made-up sentences. You can put 3 contractions in one sentence or do 1 contraction per sentence, your choice. Go ahead and press pause until you're done with this short activity. Okay, it's time to practice and apply what you've learned so far. So remember, this is just practice. Find A, practice and apply on page 267. Complete section A by fixing the mistakes in the paragraph. Okay, you might look at it and say, oh my gosh, this is a huge paragraph. I can't believe I have to write all this. Well, guess what? You do not have to write the whole paragraph. I simply want you to write the words that need to be fixed on your paper correctly. So you can create a list, if you'd like to, of the words that need to be corrected. Make sure you add in those apostrophes to those contractions and to those nouns. Press pause to complete the practice and apply. Then, when you're done, press play. Okay, congrats. You're done with the practice and apply. It's time to move on. Now, my next instructions are really important because it's something we've never done before. So follow the steps below. Number 1, go to noredink.com. Step 2, sign up as a student using your Google info. Step 3, enter your class code. This is on the whiteboard in the blue box, so just look up at the whiteboard to find the class code. You'll see that you've been assigned a Common Apostrophes assignment. So go ahead and complete that assignment, and then when you're done, take the Common Apostrophes quiz. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and call me over, and I can help you with this process. If you need to pause or rewind to hear these steps again, go right ahead. Otherwise, get started on your No Red Ink assignment. We're going to be doing this a lot on Wednesdays throughout the school year, so please ask any questions if you have them. All right, get to it.